back. Let's put the spotlight on Madhya Pradesh that's making headlines for all the wrong reasons. Let's tell you why. Now, there have been multiple cases of assault, harassment and communal instances in Madhya Pradesh that are linked to that are going viral on social media. Now, while a Muslim man from Ujjain was forced to chant Jai Shri Ram, another man from Rewa was assaulted and lashed with belts over suspicion of theft. Yesterday, a man lost his life after he was thrashed and tied to a truck and dragged in Neemuch district. And these incidents have also triggered a political war where the opposition is saying that the state of law and order in Madhya Pradesh is deteriorating by the day. Let's tell you about each and every incident in detail. Let's start with Ujjain first. Now, what's happened in Ujjain is that a Muslim scrap dealer was heckled, threatened and forced to chant Jai Shri Ram by two men. The men first threatened the Muslim scrap dealer and forced him to chant the religious slogans, at the same time harassing him and stopping him from entering the village. After the video went viral, the police have filed a case and arrested the two men in question.
हमारे गांव में से कमा के कैसे ले जाते जब मकला का जितने पिज्जा रहा था मुसलमान और राम राम बोलने में क्या जय श्री राम बोल जय श्री राम जय श्री राम जय श्री राम बोल जय श्री राम बोलने में क्या है बोलना पड़ेगा तूने हमारे गांव में किसको पिज्जा तक नहीं तूने गांव में कुछ नहीं बोल जय श्री राम जय श्री राम बोल जय श्री राम मेरी बात सुन जय श्री राम मेरी बात सुन जय श्री राम बोल जय श्री राम बोल जय श्री राम जय श्री राम बोलने में क्या है बोलना नहीं बोले चलो ठीक है बोल जय श्री राम जय श्री राम जय श्री राम ठीक है खुश अपना
All right, let's get you another update from Rewa district. What's happened is a young man was mercilessly kicked and lashed with belts by a group of men in Rewa. This on the suspicion of stealing a truck battery. In the video of the incident which has gone viral, the victim can be seen crying out in pain, writhing in pain, but his assaulters did not stop. The police have registered a case under attempt to murder and have arrested 2 out of the 4 accused.
उनकी बेटी चोरी हो गई थी, वो बोली तुम ले गए हो, वो बोले तुम ले गए हो, हम वो हमको कार में बैठाएं ले गए, वहाँ जो ताजपुर नगर गेट है ना वहीं पास हमको रोके, 4-5 लड़का इकट्ठा करे, वहीं पास मरवाने लगे मेरे को।
क्या मारे हैं? कितने लोग थे मारने वाले?
4-5 लोग थे, पहले 4-5 लोग थे, फिर 20-25 लोग आ गए।
क्या मारे उन्हें?
बेल्ट से, डंडा से, पैर में मारे, पीठ में मारे हैं, बोले इसे जान से मार देंगे।
शिकायत दर्ज करा दी है उसकी?
शिकायत दर्ज करा दी है, सीने में लात रखे थे।
बेल्ट उल्ट से मार्केट काफ़ी मतलब किए हैं, जिससे उसको प्राण घातक चोटें आए। वो कल रिपोर्ट नहीं कर पाया था, डर के मारे नहीं आया, तो आज रिपोर्ट किए हैं और 2 मुलजिम जो है अरेस्ट मतलब राउंड अप कर लिए गए हैं, 2 और बाकी हैं, उनका भी पुलिस पता कर रही है।
All right, for more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Govind on the broadcast. Govind, thank you for joining us. While in both these cases, Govind, in Ujjain and in Rewa, there have been arrests that have been made by the police. But these incidents go on to show that the fear of police or law and order does not seem to be there in the minds of these people. On the one hand, we see that somebody is forcing a Muslim scrap dealer to chant Jai Shri Ram, whereas in the other people are, following the vigilante justice system.
Absolutely, and that is why it seems that these days the center part of the nation, Madhya Pradesh, suddenly turns into the center point of the crime. And every day, some or the other such horrific incidents is coming in for. And these are the 2 fresh incidences in which one old man was pressurized or forced to chant Jai Shri Ram. On the other, one man was on the middle of the road in the daylight, was brutally beaten by belts and kicks and slapped. So this is what 2 fresh incidents added with those incidences which are continuously occurring there in specifically in the Malwa region, like in the cities of Madhya Pradesh, like in Indore, in Devas, in Ujjain, or in Neemach, a man was dragged to die with a vehicle. That was also another incident, and not merely talk about this Kawadi wala, before that chips wala, before that churi wala. So these are the incidences which are the instances to prove that yes, Madhya Pradesh is having Madhya Pradesh government is not having any command on these kind of criminal activities. That's why they are increasing leaps and bounds. And the big question is that why such antisocial elements don't have any fear in their mind about the administration or the governments. That's why opposition is attacking on the present government. That present government is not looking commendable on the law and order at present time, because such incidents is frequently increasing. As of now, in update, we can share the information as SP of Ujjain has shared the information that two persons have been arrested by recognizing or scrutinizing the videos of that in which the man was forced to chant Jai Shri Ram. So two have been arrested and 4 other are being searched. And in the incidents of Riva, even there two accused have been arrested by police, as we shared the information, and 2 are still to be arrested. But surprising thing is that such incidences are frequently increasing in Madhya Pradesh these days. That's why the opposition is attacking on the government in Madhya Pradesh.
Right, as you rightly said, Govind, that the frequency of these incidents have increased in the past, and that is why this has triggered a political war between the BJP and the Congress. The Congress is saying that, of course, the law and order situation in the state is deteriorating, but the BJP, on the other hand, is questioning the authenticity of some videos.
क्या कहीं ना कहीं सत्ताधारी दल का संरक्षण प्राप्त है? क्योंकि एक मामले के अंदर जो नीमच का मामला है उसमें कहा जा रहा है कि भाजपा का जो सरपंच है वो भी लिप्त है। तो इस तरह से क्या चरणबद्ध तरीके से मध्य प्रदेश की फिजा बिगाड़ने की काम करे जा रहा है ताकि जनता का ध्यान मोड़ा जा सके, सरकार की नाकामी पे जो सवाल जनता पूछ रही है उनसे बचा जा सके।
हमारी सरकार हर घटना का संज्ञान लेकर कार्रवाई कर रही है और जो भी वीडियो आए हैं उस पर तुरंत सरकार ने ही, पुलिस ने संज्ञान लेकर कार्रवाई की है। पर मुझे कहीं ना कहीं इन वीडियो को लेकर यह भी संदेह होता है कि इस तरह से लगातार वीडियो क्यों आ रहे हैं। क्या ये कांग्रेस की साजिश है? क्या कांग्रेस जानबूझ के वर्ग संघर्ष कराना चाहती है? जांच का ये भी विषय है कि ऐसी घटनाएं कहीं फैब्रिकेटेड तो नहीं है। क्यों सबसे पहले कांग्रेस के ट्विटर हैंडल से वो वीडियो वायरल होता है? क्या कांग्रेस ही ऐसी घटनाएं करवा रही है?